Hi, my name is Stephen Hill. I'm a tradeaholic. I've been trading for about 10 years. I've been in about 5 rooms. I've paid a whole lot of money to Lilu, and I really need the Mind Mastery course. But my takeaway from this Thrive course was just the sense of community, the brilliance and the work that has gone into some of these indicators that I haven't fully mastered. Again, I'm brand new, but what Lori talked about in in classifying trades, to know and be able to ask oneself what kind of trader they are, to be able to be patient enough to look for the setups. They will come. My exposure to Apex came from Lilu, where I saw there were big payouts to Daryl, and I just wanted to get that. I wanted to get it right now. In coming to Thrive, I realized there's going to be, with lots of support, a stepwise process to where I can really do well and realize the work, the benefits of the work that I've put in for the past 10 years. I've learned a lot about health, the importance of being mentally alert, to take it seriously, and so much from all the indicators that I wish I could be more beneficial in letting you know. I'm happy to speak with you about it. I am a bit of a geek, and I've programmed a little bit, but please give me a call if you would like, and I'd be happy to elaborate on how thrilled I was with all of this. Uh, the Thrive was a good experience for me, and just gave me the sense that these people really care. Marion and Lori and John and Daryl. It's been a really splendid event, and hopefully, if you get something out of Thrive other than just to identify what kind of trader you are, I'm sure it will probably be just the continuum trade that I just saw from John. Uh, Daryl was spot on with a lot of his mind mastery. Um, and just to be able to forgive myself for giving Lilu so much money in resets. Thank you for everything. It's been great. I pass that on.